it's a wonderfully timely meeting. I know it would have been timely a year ago, but it's even more timely now. And what we've heard this week are some really exciting talks with both theory and experiment that reveal that the molecular systems that we might have always been defensive about being poor relations to perfect inorganics with their strong covalent bonds that allow easy transport. And now we've discovered that actually the organics molecular systems can show really surprising properties. The way in which vibrational excitations can modify electron states to enhance rather than limit transport is a really surprising and very exciting development. So I think across the week, what we've been listening to are talks that wouldn't really have been on the horizon a decade ago in the field. What has driven that? Well, hindsight is always good, but in part it is that it takes a long time to get materials right. The benefit we've had that our area has supported a real technology that has tended to put enough effort into push materials design, synthesis, characterization, processing. So we do have materials that show really surprising properties. And then the theoretical tools have developed again, very surprisingly. So for me, I think this isn't just a run-of-the-mill occasion. I think it's been a wonderful capturing of an exciting moment in a field which I think has got a great future. Both because it's there's some real science surprises, and also that those will take us to more useful places. So it's been a privilege to be part of it.
Okay, well, great. Thank you so much, Richard, for your fantastic talk and also for your very kind words and concluding remarks. So we are coming pretty much to the end of that workshop now. And one thing that's still outstanding is, of course, is to announce the winners for the best lightning talk and for the best poster. And so the judges really had. You gave the judges really a very hard time because many of you really sort of contributed very good talks and excellent posters. So I think they had several sessions to decide on the winners. I would like to start with the lightning talk. So the best lightning talk was given by Julia Westermeier on deep learning for efficient prediction of molecular electronic excited state properties. Congratulations, Julia. I hope you're still with us. Would you like to unmute your microphone if you can?
Yes, I am.
Oh, you're still with us. Excellent. Well, congratulations.
Thank you.
So the runner-up best lightning talk is Tahere Nematsiaram, with the title Plausible Physical Limits to Charge Mobility Achievable in Molecular Semiconductors. Tahari, I hope you're still with us.
Yes, I'm here, and thanks very much. That's a great pleasure to hear this. And I also thank you for this amazing workshop. I've enjoyed a lot.
Great, you're welcome. Well, it's very good. It was a great talk. Now I come to the poster prizes, and that was even more difficult. So we decided to give 3 poster prizes. So the first poster prize goes to poster number 32. So that's April Bialas, a Frenkel-Holstein approach to describe the evolution between structured and unstructured excimer emission. I'm not sure whether you can unmute yourself because you're an attendee, but congratulations to you, April. Now the second poster prize is poster number 54, Matt Ellis, Impact of Nanoscale Morphology on Charge Carrier Delocalization and Mobility in an Organic Semiconductor. Matt, I think Matt is still with us, right? Yeah. Well done, Matt. And so the third poster prize goes to Federico Hernandez. Poster number 8, excited state mechanisms in crystalline carbazole, the role of aggregation and isomeric defects. Federico, congratulations to you. Well, now this, but probably what I should say, so it's not only me mentioning that you have, done the best posters or talks. So what you will get is a voucher, and Karen, I think, has already prepared these vouchers. So they will be sent to you by email today or early next week. So what I'm left with is really to say thank you so much to the to the speakers, of course, the invited speaker and the lightning talk speakers. So it was really great, like as Richard has said, to sort of have to really capture the field from very many different angles. Transport and excitation on the one hand, and then experiment and theory and computation, of course, on the other. So I really enjoyed every single talk. I would like to thank the session chairs so that they, so that they chaired the session so well. They always kept on time, which is probably easier to do than, let's say, in a face-to-face meeting. What I would also like to, thank actually the organizing team. So it's quite a few people, because actually this workshop had several organizers and head organizers. Unfortunately, we had to move it by 1 year. And I would like to point out, initially it was Orestes, and then it was taken over by a couple of people. Especially would like to thank Matt for creating Matt and Mazi for creating the Gather Town venue. I think the poster session that went very well there. And I would also like to thank Karen and Hafiza for the correspondence, for the emails, and for the administrative work. And I really hope that so that was not the last time that we that we meet. So I really would like to see that having a similar meeting again, face to face, hopefully maybe in 2 or 3 years, and would be very interested to learn about the the next advances in the next 2 or 3 years. With this, I would like to close that workshop, and I wish you all the best and much success for your research in that field. Bye.